Hi, today we are going to see how to post on Instagram from your computer. First of all, go to your browser. In the search bar, type instagram.com. Here your profile will be appeared. From the upper plus option, click on it. Here you can see new post and new reel. Click on new post. Then you can drag photo or video, or you can select from computer. Click on it. Then you can select a photo or video from computer. I am selecting a photo. Then click on next. Here you can add filter, you can adjust your image, then click on next. Here you can add caption, add location. Here you can see accessibility option, advanced setting, then click on share. Then your post will be published. You can see here is the post. So that's how to post on Instagram by computer. If you like this video, give the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.